Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell from Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with flakes of paint and a 12 by 12 canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And I'm going to do another swipe with some colors I just used that I absolutely adore and add a new one so that hopefully I'll bring a new element into it. And I'm going to spread out my black because I have enough on the blade of my spatula not to want to waste it. So I'm just going to keep moving it toward the white, which will be fine. I'll wipe that off, throw that extra down on my little iffy silicone mat and the spatula in the bucket. Grab another one. Not that many bubbles survive the spatula. It's nice to pull a blade of paint and squish it toward the gap that you want to fill. I think I've said this more than once. Yes, I just schmutzed up my edge, but I don't think it matters. So this time, I'm not going to worry about my white edges. That's going in the bucket. Last time I did not use any Anita's White Metallic. This time I'm going to use everything and anything. Maybe I'll reverse the order I use. What I put in last time. That was a Hobby Lobby brand. Master's Touch. That was a Sergeant's Yellow with some orange unicorn spit in it. This is an Arteza Golden Hour, which is a metallic or a pearl. This is a color shifting red from Folk Art. I think I'm going to, if it's open, I'm going to put some purple in here. Is it the right purple? That's the question. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. And, last but not least, my gold from Decor Americana. Oh, I forgot the Arteza Hot Fiery Red, which is really, really super similar to the Folk Art. And then there's my Hot Orchid. Hopefully I have enough of the cell activator that's got Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam Black. Oh look, I left that undone. Clever girl. Alright, so I've been using this card and that side is dry, so I'm going to use this side. And I'm going to try and keep it copious because more seems to work better, which is unfortunate for someone like me who likes to use less and have it be better. But that's okay. Last time I did this on a... What size canvas was it? I don't know. I've moved it somewhere. Good question. Anyway, this is a smaller canvas. And I'm going to have to do the same thing I just did, which was clean off. And I've left all my spatulas in the bucket. And what I really need is the excess paint to come off that card right now. On both sides, please. Go into my scrape dish. Handy little things found in the party section of Michael's. So now, do I want to use the same card or do I want to use a different one? I think I'm going to use a different one. And then I'm contemplating using some of my small tools. Sort of like this. And there is a tools video. They're pretty easy to make, super easy actually. They're just a bamboo skewer, some acetate, and some clear waterproof duct tape. Not sure exactly what I'm doing with that residual. Haven't made up my mind completely. I'm kind of loving my colors still. It's a new series. Super fast. If I rest that and tap it a little bit, I can get most of that paint to come right off. Something with tendrils on it. Yeah, I'm kind of liking that. Take the rest of it. Actually, I'm going to take some out of my scrape dish and probably cover my edges. I do love my little tools. And picking up more paint and spreading it is part of the joy. Also, they cover the edge just perfectly. So that's kind of cool. Do I need more? Maybe. It's kind of cool to use up what you've got. I certainly like it. But that was neat. That was a really dark mark. I wasn't expecting that. I want to blow that over the edge. I've got a lump of something in there that needs to come out. Unfortunately, I have tweezers. It's a rather large lump too. Tweezers that are on my Amazon link. Or if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you. You'll find a bunch of really cool stuff there. And eventually it may help me out. Not sure about the prime aspect. Somebody was talking about that earlier today. Don't know if you can shop from my link and still get prime, but I would kind of imagine you could. It might be worth a try. I have Legalist clothing from Montreal. It's the top link on my link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. I have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. Also my website and other cool things. Not remembering any of them right now while I'm focused on this. This is pretty cool. I like it. I don't want to destroy that big cell. There we go. That's something I wanted to do. Just let the tool let the residuals drop right off. Sometimes I'd like to use one of these as a background for another stage, and I'm sure it's happened at some point in time. Just using the curved edge of my tool. Actually, I can use use the bamboo skewer end of my tool also to pick up paint. There, I like it when lines cross over each other. It helps give the illusion of dimension, which I like quite a bit. So that means if I drag a few things through each other, I'll get a similar effect. So why not do that? That's pretty cool. I don't think it's going to hurt a thing. No, I'm definitely liking that. I want one more little spot. Can I have it? No? Squeezing, squeezing. There we go. That's what I wanted right there. Good. So I love you guys. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. Really appreciate that. If you're looking for PayPal and Patreon because you want to make a donation to help keep the studio afloat, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. The monthly drawing prizes can be seen at the beginning of the exhibition video that I include on the end screens of every video. I don't want to steal anything that's going to leave a scar, but I can always just grab it from the bottle. I can if it's open, I should say. There, I like that. I want to put a dot of that. I want to put more than one dot of that. Yeah, I like my dots. There's no way around it. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida saying, I've got over 2,100 videos, and if you guys are interested in watching any of them and you can't find what you're looking for, please let me know because I can help you. I have them all organized by topic and genre. My paint pouring recipe is below the video, underneath show more. I'm having too much fun curving the blade of my little tool and leaving new marks. This is really cool. The more I use it, the more I learn. The more marks cross over each other, the happier I am with my results. That's bugging me though, that second white spot there. There, I'm happier now. Alright, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Whatever I didn't tell you, you'll see in another video. Please, can I have a thumbs up? Thank you for sharing my videos. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch my videos longer, you secure my place as being able to afford to stay at YouTube. I want some gold dots in there. It's tough. Maybe I'll settle for a couple hot orchid ones. I think that'll be good enough. Yeah, I like that combination. The yellow and the pink is great. Alright, What did I not tell you? My email address is below the link tree. If you're interested in purchasing artwork or taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you use the email address, oh, I think you're probably already gone. But if you're not, I'll zoom in. There we go. You're still here. Cool. Excellent colors. A series of excellent colors. This one's not as perfectly stylized as the last one, but I still like it a lot. I think that's not the best way up. But it's certainly, oh, that's cool. It's certainly better closer up than it is away. So, my community board has tomorrow's video. If you want to ask me questions, please do. Looking for my paint pouring recipe, you should click more, click show more underneath the video. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. My spring clothing is the clothing you see under the video, and if you shop there, you'll find all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts by clicking on any item. You'll find lots more. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. And when I do, it helps me survive. So thank you for that. I love you guys. Thanks for the wonderful comments, and thanks for all the donations. And don't forget, the drawing is on the end screen video. On the exhibition, the prizes are included at the very beginning. And if you use PayPal or Patreon icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, you will be automatically entered. There's also PayPal and Patreon. I prefer PayPal. And it is on the link tree too. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is so much better in person. I keep moving that to the wrong spot. All right. Bye for now. I'll see you on 7 days a week and a few times on weekends. Bye for now. Priscilla out.